Okay, 1E, graph question. Hooray! Okay, so the graph of y equals to x minus 1 all squared minus cosine of pi x is drawn in where? Okay, so first thing, just when we deal with graph questions, think about what is the difference between these graphs, right? If you find a difference, then you check that thing, and then you could eliminate some options. For example, now I see that okay, D and E, they don't pass through the origin. So let's have a think. Does the equation pass through the origin? Well, it does, right? Because the right hand side is 1 minus 1, which is 0, and so it passes through the origin. So D and E is already eliminated. Okay, so we're already left with 3. Okay, well, which one makes no sense? Let's like A, B, C. Which one makes no sense in general? Oh, C makes no sense, right? Because cosine is periodic. How on earth are you supposed to get a smooth curve like that, right? So this is wrong, right? This is absolutely, just irrational in general. No joke intended. So here, the only difference between B and A is that, okay, A has like 4 sort of roots around the x-axis, and B has like 6 sort of roots. So let's actually check how many roots should there be. So let's try to draw the two graphs here. So y equals to x minus 1 squared. How does that look like? It's probably something like this. Yeah, I guess. Tricky on a computer. Okay, well, it's supposed to touch the x-axis, right? So okay, there we go. All right, and cosine of pi x. Okay, so when x is 1, cosine pi is what? Cosine pi is minus 1, so it's probably here. When it's 0, then it's 1, so it's probably here. So it probably does something like this, right? Some sort of thing like this. Okay, so how many solutions are there? Well, 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Even with my ridiculously poor drawing, you can count, right? And the quadratic goes up to infinity, and the cosine is just wandering around here, so they can't intersect further, right? So we could conclude that there are only 4 intersection points, right? Okay, you could also think about the left-hand side. It's sort of the same, right? Because this goes to infinity as well. The quadratic goes